Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix unable to remove. There is an active subscription on this account that requires at least one payment on file. For example, if you go to your payment method and try to remove a payment method, and after that you see this kind of error. So what is the meaning of this error? The meaning of this error is that you have purchased a subscription for a specific app or anything like that, and that payment is pending for that file. So that's why it is unable to remove that payment method, because that payment is pending, so that's why it is unable to remove. So what you have to do, you have to simply correct all the details and provide the subscription payment for that file, and after that you will be able to remove that. But if you want to completely remove that error, for this what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, you have to close this tab, and here what you have to do, first of all you have to simply check your Wi-Fi or internet connection, whether it is working properly or not, and after that you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some second, and you have to turn it off again, so that your Wi-Fi can be restarted. Moreover, you can also restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So here you have to scroll it down, you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to click on reset, and you have to simply reset all of your network settings, and after that you have to simply go back, and here what you have to do, you have to go to your name or Apple ID, and here you have to click on media and purchases, and after that you have to click on view account, and after that you have to simply check your payment method, whether you have provided correct payment method or not, and you have to see whether it is any kind of pending payment is on that payment method or not, which means if you have already a subscription and you have not provided any payment for that, then you have to simply pay for that subscription, and after that you will be able to remove your that payment method. Otherwise you will not be able to remove your that payment method. So you have to make sure that you have provided all the payment to the active subscription on that payment method. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.